How to create and share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Zoom. Make sure that your Zoom is up to date to its latest version. After that, what you can do is you can create a meeting link. So you can simply start a meeting or schedule one. So let's schedule a meeting. Tap on the schedule button. It's right here. This is the one. Tap on the schedule button and then you can schedule a meeting. So you can go through with this and tap on save. After you create the meeting link, you can then tap on the meeting and there you can see an option to simply share your meeting link. So you can tap on add attendees and then tap on copy to clipboard. After you do that, you can then head over to your WhatsApp and simply head over to any place there where you want to share the meeting link at. So I'll just head over here, long press on the text area and then tap on paste. So with this, I will be sharing the meeting ID and the meeting password, including the Zoom meeting link. And that's basically how you can share and create Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. And that's basically how you can create and share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.